baby, please hold gently my hand, 'cause I need your very kind guidance. I love your long hairs, my darling, and your cute body's fragrance. I would like to kiss you all over, and trying to avoid our souls' distance. I am tasting your breath deep, then deeper. My heart is beating to a known rhythm dance. I'm seeking sweet love in your magic eyes, if it has been any extent. I need your sweet, sweet love, my honey, and all of your gentle performance. Please don't refuse this humble request, my dear. This is my only first one chance. Just kiss me and say you love me, my sweetheart, with all of your heart and full of confidence. Your magical face has been jammed my tongue. Oh God, I cannot speak any complete sentence. Your magical face has been jammed my tongue. Oh God, I cannot speak any complete sentence. Your magical face has been jammed my tongue. Oh God, I cannot speak any complete sentence.